Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to compress the files and folders with password in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 operating system. Okay, so first I am going to File Explorer. Okay, so yeah, you can see a lot of files and directories here. So I am going to compress this directory. So just right click the directory. You can see the option compress. So here you can see a lot of options, zip file, okay, .7zip, .tar, okay. So I am choosing the option .zip with password, okay. So provide the password. So you can see that file is getting compressed. So you can view the progress here. Yes, now you can see that this directory is got compressed with password. Now I am going to copy this directory and paste here. I am going to extract here. Extract here. Okay. So it will ask for the password. Give the password whatever you provided during the compression. Okay. Yes. So file is uncompressed. That is decompressed. All the files are available. So this is the way you can compress the file in RHEL 9 in GUI mode.